Yes, people. Okay, right now, gold is absolutely smashing it, smashing past the $4,000 mark. Let's see what's going on with the precious metal. Okay, so an extraordinary milestone was achieved overnight for the price of gold early this week. So the spot gold price topped $4,000 an ounce for the first time on record, and future data suggests no let up in its upwards momentum for the rest of 2025, especially as the world economy now is quite uncertain. A lot of things happening all over the world in terms of conflicts and other issues around, economics and funding and debt and so on. So a lot of investors are turning to precious metals like gold, palladium, rhodium, silver, and also Bitcoin as well. So that's why maybe we're seeing this growth in terms of the gold price. So so it was trading at $4,035 early on Wednesday morning, yesterday. It has risen steadily since Trump 2.0 began in January when it stood at a level around $2,600. Sky News was quick to report on the early reasons for a spike in price when heavy outflows were witnessed at the Bank of England. Gold has traditionally been seen as a safe haven for investors, in terms of their money, especially in tougher times when, like I said, the economies around the world are struggling. So you can see here the price of gold on this chart from earlier at the start of the year all the way through to October. So right down there at the 2,600 level, all the way up to 4,000 there. Now, there has been plenty to worry about this year, and not all of it's down to Donald Trump, the American president, who's quite erratic at the moment. Analysts say the surge during 2025 can be partly explained as a hedge against the US trade war and the resulting slowdown in the global economy, which has hit demand for many traditional growth linked stocks and the dollar. So, is a stock market crash on the cards? That is a big question. Wider economic and geopolitical uncertainty, such as tensions in the Middle East, such as the genocide in Gaza, and concerns about the sustainability of US government debt levels have also basically played a part. Over this week, political crisis in France and the implication of the continuing US government shutdown have been driving forces. But there's also one other crucial factor that has entered the equation, particularly since the end of the summer period moving into autumn. Now, many analysts say that the goal has become a collective hedge against the possible implosion of the AI driven boom for tech stocks in the US. So we also have a potential, bubble burst as well with AI, as it has been revealed many AI companies are actually not turning a profit at all. So, despite a few wobbles, there have been almost endless headlines around record values for such shares when it comes to AI, with most investments seen as a big, hedge on the future rather than current earnings. Around 35% of the market capitalization of the S&P 500 index trades at more than 10 times sales, according to investment firm GQG. There you have it, folks. So gold has smashed it, has crossed the $4,000 mark currently. So that is something important to look at in terms of investor sentiment moving towards precious metals, as we discussed. Do let us know in the comment section below. Are you invested in gold? What do you think about that? Drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, support the channel. Okay, people, catch you in the next one.